Good evening, everyone. I am Jerly M. Palaganas, 21 years of age, from Lipa, Batangas. I graduated in Batangas State University Malvar campus, took up Bachelor in Hotel and Restaurant Management. My passion is dancing, singing, and also I love cooking. I also do joining beauty pageants like Miss Lipa Tourism and also Miss Batangas State University 2014. Also, I am into ramp modeling. He is Bebe Kyler. Bebe Kyler is a 5 months old baby.